Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
I'm so damn confused.
What lie did you tell and how did you get caught up in it? We can only crown one story the best of the nation, so send your best one to our Instagram.
What are you doing? It's a red light!
The stories will be real, but they will be about being
I don't know, sir.
You are dumb, Private Papa. Do you expect me to believe that you don't know left from right?
You fucking flog!
Hey, whoa, what you doing?
Where's your fucking road rule, Jamaica?
Voice recording enabled.
Nearly got it.
Run, bitch! Run!
That's really important because it's still going to be done through GPs.
You're an idiot.
About these mass vaccination hubs, and you'll hear
in hotels and now people who are returning from India. Well, is the hotel quarantine system, it's been very effective up until this point.
Didn't even look. There you go. How do you like that? From the third lane, straight across.
Oh, that was stupid, wasn't it?
Yeah. Really?
Think about that, will you? Aldo's here with us at Labor Day, while Scott Morrison showed him $5,000 a head to have dinner with him.
Yeah, but the kiosk sits on top of the bars.
We'd only keep it if it was actually...
Another one! That's 3! Ah yes, that was a nice stop, wasn't it? Then again... Oh, they're just unbelievable, aren't they?
motherfucker.
All right. If you call, make sure you call again. All right. Thanks, Lisa. Bye. Virginia. Hello.
The fuck?
Hi, Suzanne. Hello. Well, you didn't have to answer question 6 because Lisa did it for you.
It your whole life. Either way, it worked out fine. Cause you're an asshole tonight. Yes, you're an A-S-S-H-O-L-E. And don't you try to blame it on me. You deserve all the credit. You're an asshole tonight. You were an asshole yesterday. You're an asshole tonight. And I've got a feeling you'll be an asshole the rest of your life.
You can't U-turn there? Yep, nice. Can't U-turn there, beautiful. What the fuck was that? Hyundai decided to turn. Yep. He turned left on a right turn only lane. No! Okay, that's okay, it's okay. We're good. We're good. He just ran a red, beautiful. He ran a red, nice. What the You can't U-turn there, you stupid! That's the second time I saw a car doing a U-turn when you're not supposed to.
Now let's not forget though the shitbag tinny fuck of the week. We'll still go to that fucking guy.
It's green, you fuckhead! It's green! Oh, you fucking idiot! Oh my god! That's enough for Scotty. Ooh, what in the fuck happened here? Trucks? Oh! Oh! Car burnout! Oh shit! Oh my god! Wow!
Kiss me.
Smart ass motherfucker.
Straight through a red light.
Whoa! Straight through! Fuck! Go home, you're drunk! Oh my god!
Someone yelled out, contact! The bloke behind me swore. We looked in there for hours. Then it got all money. Sure.
And an ice cream?
Go on, get
Where
me one
the
too.
fuck are you going?
I'll use VP points today, thanks.
It's easy to say yes when
The M1 Pacific motorway and the motorway link road is now cleared, but heavy traffic are northbound
Only to cover and not be run continue.
That is one big pile of shit.
Yeah, bloody hell.
There he goes.
Yeah, but he had no choice because...
No, he had plenty of... Look,
Yeah,
going again. Yeah, well...
Oh, shit. What fucking happened then?
Well, he almost went up the arse of a bloody car.
There he is. Go on. Go on, Skippy. Keep going.
Oh, that would be the go.
Oh my goodness.
I'll have to look that one up when I get home too.
Whoa.
That was a fucking ripper. Gonna have to look that one up on the fucking dash cam footage.